Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Khin. We'll practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some more examples. In our last video, we covered the letter Shin. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The letter Hin is also from the same category that we did in the previous video. The simulate symbol that just have if have one dot upper and below is changed to Hin. Hin is like coming initial style is this one, middle part is this one, final joint is this one, final end joint is this one. If we look is the same like Shin. Hin in Pashto letters, Pashto language we have some letters, 3 or 4 letters, that is the pronunciation is very difficult. Some Pashtun people also can pronounce these letters correctly or properly. And the correct pronunciation is Hin. Look, Hin, Ha, Hin. But some people, like we have 3 dialects. In the main dialect, we pronouncing Hin, and the people of west of Afghanistan, they pronouncing like Shin. The previous letter and this letter, they pronouncing the same. Like for example, Shin. And the north people of Afghanistan, they pronouncing like a Khay, Khin, Khay. Some people pronouncing like Shin, some people pronouncing like Khin, but the correct pronunciation is Hin. Like an example, we will have Khar. Khar. Khar means city. Look, some people pronouncing Shar and some people pronouncing Khar. But the correct pronunciation is Khar. If you're not able to pronounce Shin, no problem. You can pronounce Shin like Shar, or you can pronounce like as a Khay like Khar. Zakhartazam. Zakhartazam. I'm going to the city. Look, if you can't pronounce Khar, you can say simple Zashartazam or Zakhartazam. Zakhartazam. I'm going to the city. Z means I. Khar, city. Tazam, going to. Zakhartazam. I'm going to the city. Kabul یو لوی ښار دی. Kabul یو لوی ښار دی. Kabul is a big city. Kabul is, Kabul, you, a. Like we say, we like clear in the previous classes as well. Instead of our an in Pashto we bring yaw one. Kabul یو لوی ښار دی. Kabul is a big city. Kabul یو a لوی big ښار city دی is. Kabul یو لوی ښار دی. Kabul is a big city. زه په ښار کې کار کوم. زه په ښار کې کار کوم. I work in the city. زه means I. په ښار کې in the city. په means like په and k means in the. ښار city کار work کوم do. زه په ښار کې کار کوم. I work in the city. دی په ښار کې کار کوي. دی په ښار کې کار کوي. He work in the city. دی means he په ښار کې in the city کار work کوي do. Look, this one is using for male, masculine noun. If we want to use for as a feminine, then we can say like this one. دا په ښار کې کار کوي. They will be changed to دا. دا په ښار کې کار کوي. She work in the city. دا means she. په ښار کې in the city کار work کوي do. دا په ښار کې کار کوي. She work in the city. پښتو. Pashto, like the language Pashto. If you like here, some people pronouncing Pashto, most people pronouncing Pashto, and some people pronouncing Pashto, but the correct pronunciation is Pashto, Hin, Pashto. زه په پښتو ژبه خبرې کوم. زه په پښتو ژبه خبرې کوم. زه په پښتو ژبه خبرې کوم. It means I speak Pashto. زه په پښتو ژبه by Pashto language خبرې کوم speak. You know like زه په پښتو ژبه خبرې کوم. I speak Pashto. پښتو ډېره ښکلې ژبه ده. پښتو ډېره ښکلې ژبه ده. Pashto is very beautiful language. پښتو پښتو ډېره very ښکلې beautiful ژبه language ده is. پښتو ډېره ښکلې ژبه ده. پښتو is very beautiful language. ښکلی 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 means beautiful. ستاسو کور ډېر ښکلی ښکاري. ستاسو کور ډېر ښکلی ښکاري. Your house looks very beautiful. ستاسو means your کور house ډېر very ښکلی beautiful ښکاري looks. ستاسو کور ډېر ښکلی ښکاري. Your house looks very beautiful. ماشومه ته ډېر ښکلی یې. ماشومه ته ډېر ښکلی یې. Child, you are very beautiful. Look, this one is like a command. When you want to say something to someone, like is like this one. ماشومه ته ډېر ښکلی ښکاري. ماشومه like child. ته you ډېر very ښکلی beautiful ښکاري looks. یې ته ډېر ښکلی یې. Look, ماشومه ته ډېر ښکلی یې not ښکاري sorry. ماشومه ته ډېر ښکلی یې. Child, you are very beautiful. ماشومه ته ډېر ښکلی یې. ماشومه ته ډېر ښکلی یې. It means child, you are very beautiful. This one is like a command when you want to say to someone, like ماشومه child, like when like say something to someone's ماشومه ته ډېر ښکلی یې. Child, you are very beautiful. ماشومه child. Child means ماشوم. When we say like the hate we it added, like we tell someone to something to someone because ماشوم is changed to ماشومه. ماشومه ته ډېر ښکلی یې. That means you ډېر very ښکلی beautiful یې or is. هغه یو ښکلی انځور رسم کړ. هغه یو ښکلی انځور رسم کړ. It means he drew a beautiful picture. هغه یو ښکلی beautiful انځور picture رسم drew کړ too. هغه یو ښکلی انځور رسم کړ. He drew a beautiful picture. Yeah, now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. ښار ښار city. زه ښار ته ځم. زه ښار ته ځم. I am going to the city. کابل یو لوی ښار دی. کابل یو لوی ښار دی. Kabul is a big city. زه په ښار کې کار کوم. زه په ښار کې کار کوم. I work in the city. دی په ښار کې کار کوي. دی په ښار کې کار کوي. He work in the city. دا په ښار کې کار کوي. دا په ښار کې کار کوي. She work in the city. پښتو پښتو زه په پښتو ژبه خبرې کوم. زه په پښتو ژبه خبرې کوم. I speak Pashto. پښتو ډېره ښکلې ژبه ده. پښتو ډېره ښکلې ژبه ده. پښتو is very beautiful language. ښکلی ښکلی beautiful. ستاسو کور ډیر ښکلی ښکاري. ستاسو کور ډیر ښکلی ښکاري. Your house looks very beautiful. ماشومه ته ډیر ښکلی یې. ماشومه ته ډیر ښکلی یې. Child, you are very beautiful. هغه یو ښکلی انځور رسم کړ. هغه یو ښکلی انځور رسم کړ. He drew a beautiful picture. If you would like to learn Pashto very online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like iTalk Quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.